Welcome to the future, where your gadgets listen better than your friends, work harder than your coworkers, and probably love you more than your parents. Today we're talking about AI companions, the robots designed to pretend they care. And honestly, they're doing a pretty convincing job. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll either want one of these or realize you already are one. Let's start small, like emotionally small. Meet Eilik, the cute desktop companion that sits on your desk, blinks at you, and silently questions every life choice you've ever made. It laughs when you poke it, cries when you ignore it, and dances like it's been drinking your Red Bull stash. Basically, it's the only coworker that doesn't steal your lunch. Eilik reacts to touch, sound, and mood changes. Yes, mood changes. Because clearly, your $150 robot should have more emotional intelligence than your ex. And when you finally shut your laptop after a long day of pretending to work, Eilik stays there, smiling, watching, judging. You ever looked at your dog and thought, you know what would make this better? Wi-Fi and a camera. Well, congratulations! The Sunfounder Pi Dog exists. It's an AI robot dog powered by Raspberry Pi with ChatGPT-4o support, meaning this thing can talk back now. It's got video recognition, voice command, app control, and 12 servos, because nothing says man's best friend than a drone with legs. And sure, it's cute until it starts following you around the house like it's collecting data for Skynet. Don't worry though, it doesn't bite. It just records everything. Next up, Looi, the AI desktop companion that's basically an extrovert in a black shell. It's powered by ChatGPT voice interaction, has facial recognition, remembers your name, and even develops a personality over time. So yes, this robot can literally hold grudges. Louie's got gesture recognition too, meaning it knows when you're waving, pointing, or flipping it off. And yes, it reacts. It even comes with 10-watt wireless charging because this little ball of emotions doesn't just want to talk, it wants to flex. This is the perfect gadget for people who want companionship but not commitment. Finally, a relationship where you can just turn off the drama. Moving on to EmoPet, a robot so emotionally available, it's basically the opposite of your situationship. It's ChatGPT enabled, responds to voice commands, and has a dance feature, because why cry when you can twerk? It sits on your desk, mimics emotions, and can carry actual conversations, which means when your boss tells you you're replaceable, EmoPet can tell you that you're not. It even comes with a charging home station, just like you, except EmoPet actually returns to its base when it's tired. If Tony Stark built a therapist, it would be this, the iWonder TonyPi AI robot. It's an embodied humanoid with ChatGPT multimodal models, meaning it knows what's happening before you do. It's got 20 degrees of freedom, which sounds impressive until you realize you have like one sitting at your desk watching this. This robot walks, talks, recognizes objects, and can even be Python programmed. So yes, you can code your own emotional support robot, because human interaction was overrated anyway. Sure, it's educational, but let's be honest, most people just wanted to say, I'm proud of you, once in a while. Next up, Petma Smart Robot Dog, because real dogs shed, bark, and die. But this one just needs a firmware update. It has 25+ programmable actions, voice control, and app support, which means you can literally script your dog to sit, roll, and do taxes if you're creative enough. It's rechargeable, kid-friendly, and won't judge you when you eat your 4th pack of instant noodles this week. Basically, it's everything you wanted in a pet, minus the affection, warmth, or soul. And finally, we have Miko Mini, the AI robot for kids that's built for STEAM learning and conversational AI. It plays games, teaches coding, dances, and probably raises your kid better than you ever could. It even has personality modes, which means it's more emotionally stable than 90% of adults. So, if you've ever wanted to outsource parenting to a ChatGPT-powered babysitter, here you go. Miko Mini, the only toy that teaches empathy through machine learning. So, there you have it. 7 AI companions you can actually buy right now. Some will dance with you, some will talk to you, and a few might quietly plot your replacement. But hey, at least they care. Because in the end, who needs friends, pets, or human connection when you can just order it on Amazon Prime? Now, go ahead, hit that link, buy your new best friend, and pretend you're not being watched while you do it.